Endlessly shaping tomorrow's trends has been our motto since 2007. With significant investment in our R&D center, we blend stunning visuals with unparalleled comfort. This is a space where creativity meets functionality, and our team of experts transforms concepts into reality. From the initial application of foam to the careful selection of fabrics, our skilled upholsterers meticulously craft each product here. The upholstery section turns out to be one of our most professional areas due to our customized upholstery techniques, thus made our extraordinary quality. Our new photography studio represents a unique way of sharing with the world, consistently striving to offer impeccable services. This includes retail plan customization and e-commerce visual content support. All of our offerings are based on our profound understanding of market trends. Precaution is always better than final inspection. We've always been driven by this idea on production, testing and packaging. By integrating a customized packaging model with our weekly delivery management system, we guarantee the safe delivery of every shipment within the ETD.